turmeric can be used for arthritis, that's rheumatoid arthritis, conjunctivitis, so some issues with the eyes, urinary tract infections, the liver ailments, and of course this is researched information, right? So it is also good for digestive disorders and for abdominal pain issues.
That's good stuff. Look at that. Look at that. She's giving her a bag of turmeric, raw turmeric.
I am so elated.
Careful,
Look
minus
at
train.
this.
Minus train, mama, minus train. Hey guys, well, let's hear again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Continuing to showcase the wonderful medicinal herbs of Jamaica. And yes, you saw right. Turmeric is used by over a billion persons daily. Here in Jamaica, according to Forbes, the Maroons have been using it for over a century, not just for food, but for treating ailments as well. Today, I have the honor of meeting up with two powerhouse persons, a producer and exporter and a manufacturer, Tanya and Ms. Joy. We're going to learn more about turmeric. What is it good for? And how turmeric can benefit you. First up though, a special shout out to a few persons. A few persons have been asking me about turmeric on the channel. Colette, Clara, Justina, and Jerry. I want a special shout out to you guys. This is turmeric for you. Listen, if you are new though, meaning you're here for the first time, I implore you to join us. I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. I call it the real Jamaica. People, products, attractions, everything Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll be updated on all my latest videos. One more thing, I have a bonus for you. Stay until the end. We have a special bonus lineup to share with you right after the video. Look forward to that. Let's go. So this is the turmeric, guys. This is the turmeric. It's harvest time. That's why they look like this. But this is it, how it looks in its natural state. And this is Tanya. Hi to the world, Tanya.
Hi
everybody,
world.
everybody. All right, and today we're going to talk about, turmeric. Tanya is going to help us along with Miss Joy. Tanya, first up, what is turmeric? Somebody that have no idea what you're talking about, explain that to them for me.
All right, turmeric is just this very wonderful God-given root, right? This is it. And for those persons who don't know what turmeric looks like, it kind of resembles ginger because it is from the same family. And they're called rhizomes because they're root plants. That means that their root is submerged into the earth. It does everything down underground, water, save water for itself, find additional roots and so on. And of course, Miss Joyce will tell you even more. But Jamaicans love ginger, right? But turmeric has been here for a long time because even my mom told me that back in Eldersley, her mother, which is my grandmother, used to farm turmeric.
Big up Eldersley and everybody up that
exactly.
side, guys.
But of course, in those days, my mom remembers that it's mainly the Indians who used to come by and buy the turmeric, right? Now, fast forward, now we have recognized that turmeric is not only for Indians, right? They use it in a lot of their dishes, in skincare and so on. But now, as you said before, 1 billion persons in the planet could be using turmeric right across this hour. From drinking tea to putting into your soup, making different kinds of dishes, to skincare. And skincare is predominantly where I use turmeric. But sometimes I'll do a combination of my ginger and turmeric tea. Yeah.
Man, we have used it extensively. I mentioned in the intro, guys, that we have used it. We have been using it, and even more so since COVID. I realized turmeric was one of those products that everybody was running to during COVID time. Here, certainly in Jamaica. I wanted to find out how much we use. I'm going to ask Miss Joy now. Miss Joy, with her experience, wealth of experience. Here is the producer, guys. Miss Joy, hi to the world.
Hello.
Miss Joy is a producer and exporter of raw turmeric. Miss Joy, how traditionally do we use turmeric here in Jamaica, as far as you know?
Well, as far back as I know, when I came to Hanover, I didn't know anything about this turmeric. But as the time goes by, persons doing their meal, especially in curry, they did not run to the shop to get a curry powder. What I would have seen with my experience is that they would grate the turmeric in the oil or on the meat and make a good curry. And it gives it a lot of flavor. That's what I know as tradition, especially in Hanover and Westmoreland, because this is where turmeric is grown, and before it has gotten so widely established, that's how traditionally they would use it, you know.
Alright guys, this is the turmeric. Miss Joy is showing off the turmeric here. Is that how it looks, typically, Miss Joy?
Yes, this is the turmeric finger. So this is what our Jamaican turmeric looks like. Right, and other countries you may get bigger pieces, but our Jamaican turmeric is very special because it is grown in the wild. There is no additive to it, to my knowledge so far, and it's all natural because we have a very good soil that we don't put fertilizer to our turmeric to get it to be big. So this is what our turmeric is, and its potency is very strong. It's a very strong turmeric.
Tanya,
Yes.
powerful product. Certainly the Jamaican version, as we know as well, it has exceptional flavor and benefits. What are the health benefits as far as you know? What is turmeric good for?
All right, so turmeric is good for inflammation, right? And so, for example, you know, and I like to pair it with ginger because it's from the same family. And you know, Jamaicans believe in ginger. Well, turmeric has a similar properties and can do similar things. So if you need to drink it because there's a swelling, now of course, we encourage people always to go to their doctors when they have health challenges, but these natural properties can benefit persons who have inflammation in the joints, whether it's arthritis or that kind of thing. Turmeric can be very powerful in helping to heal those issues. And once you get rid of inflammation, you're almost as good as gold again.
Awesome. I have some questions, typical questions that people ask. I'm gonna pose them to you ladies, and any of you can take it, or if you want to add on to each, help out each other.
Yes.
You're in turmeric, but doing from different angles.
Right.
Right. First question is turmeric good to take every day? This is from a health benefit perspective.
I would say that everything is good every day for a period of time. No, turmeric itself, remember, it's in the Indian dish almost every day, almost everything. So I don't think there's anything there that is going to harm you if you take it every day. But again, turmeric is a spice. And so if you have certain conditions, maybe heart conditions or blood conditions and so on, again, you have to check with your doctor to make sure that what you're doing is right. But if you use it as a spice for your food, it should be okay.
And as again, I endorse what Miss Tanya has said, because everything that we do has to be used in moderation. So therefore, anything that we use excessively can be bad for our health. So therefore, as Tanya would have said, you have to consult your doctor. To use turmeric every day in a small portion, that will not hurt. But to use it and not know how to use it, that is where the hurt may come in. So I would say to consult with your doctor before you think of just jumping to use any products at all.
To you specifically, Miss how do you use turmeric? I know you sell it a lot, obviously, but how do you use it? I mean, I'm curious. I'm just curious now. My curiosity.
Well, like you doing a shake, you might just want to add a little bit of turmeric, or if you get up one morning and you feel like, okay, I would like to have some natural tea, you might just want to, boil your water, put your turmeric in the cup, and just pour the boiled water on it and let it seep for a little bit, and then there you go, you have your lovely cup of tea.
That's how you use it.
That's how I.
How else do you use it? So you use it a tea.
Yes.
And
well,
In the shake, you said, for
Yes,
flavor.
yes.
That's how you use it.
Yes.
All right. On a business level, Tanya, you use it for hair.
For making my products, right?
Yeah, for
skincare
hair
products.
for what? Skincare, yes.
Right.
But personally, how do you use it?
So I'll make it as a tea.
Uh-huh.
Most often, because of my love and my passion for ginger, I will most often combine them because I feel like there is a powerhouse when you combine them. I also sometimes will put it in a soup to give it that rich color. And sometimes I don't get sick very often, but if I feel like there's a cough or a cold coming on, I may put it with some honey and some garlic in a bottle and just let it marinate for a little bit and take little sips of it for that.
By the way, guys, we're actually in beautiful, tranquil Hanover at Miss Joy and Mr. Sam's place. What they also have is very, very lush, very fruitful place. Back to Tanya. Tanya actually has some information she wants to share with you as well on the medicinal uses of turmeric.
Right.
What do you have?
All right. So medicinal uses, I had said it before that turmeric can be used for arthritis. That's rheumatoid arthritis, conjunctivitis, so some issues with the eyes, urinary tract infections, the liver ailments, and of course this is researched information, right? So it is also good for digestive disorders and for abdominal pain issues. So it does have, and this is researched information.
Sound like it's good for everything, man.
Well, I guess each individual, there are some people who it might be good for everything.
Yeah.
There's a nutritional component as well that I think is very, very important for persons who may have been using turmeric all their life and not know scientifically what it has.
Yeah.
So it has vitamin E in there. It's about 3% vitamin E. It has minerals that are really great for you as well. It has dietary fiber. There's a bit of protein in there. There's a lot of water, as we said before, because the root gathers its own water. And it has some carbohydrates in there. And usually the recommendation is that 1 tablespoon is about 9.4 grams. So if you take 1 tablespoon, you're getting vitamin E, you're getting 29 calories, you're getting minerals in there, and of course dietary fiber. So all around, this natural substance, turmeric, is really good for us.
And it grows wild here. We have it wild growing here. No fertilizer, nothing added, just the wild turmeric grows here up in the hills of Hanover, guys. More questions for these beautiful ladies though. What is the best way to take turmeric?
All right, so you know turmeric is we're using it on our skin for anti-aging and for clearing the skin of different things like acne and so on. But it's also a nutraceutical. So some persons, if you go to the health food store, you can actually get turmeric capsules, which you can include in your daily diet. Again, we encourage you that if you have certain disorders, you do want to check with your doctor before, but it is something that is known in the nutraceutical industry. And of course, we just spoke about the medicinal uses, and we have not yet touched on the benefits to the skin. And well, Leslie, you know, it's very important for me to add that what makes the turmeric potent is curcumin, which is the main active compound in turmeric. And when you take it as a tea or in a capsule, to activate the curcumin, it is said that you need to add sprinkles of black pepper. And so that is also very important for persons who may want it to use it as a tea and want the maximum benefit from it. So sprinkle a little black pepper and enjoy your tea.
In your tea?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Miss Joy, actually, guys, she has another variety here. So we're familiar with the red one. Miss Joy is showing off a white one. Look in her hand.
Yes.
Tell us about this one, Miss Joy.
Okay. The white
farmer
turmeric
lady.
does not have a color per se. As you see, it is white. When you, let me break it so that everyone can see it. Right, this is what it looks like. And in so doing, this turmeric is said to even help with cancer and even menstrual disorder. It helps with. So this turmeric, it has a very lovely taste. Mr. Gale could taste and let you know the taste of it.
No?
Yes, he could taste it. Taste it, Mr. Gale, and you can tell them what it tastes like, because we just got it from the field, fresh from the field.
So this is the white turmeric, guys, that Miss Joy wanted me to taste. Well, actually, I tasted it just before, and yes, it had a unique taste, a unique flavor. We found out that it was actually the taste of East Indian mango. East Indian mango. Thanks, Mr. Sam. If you have ever had East Indian mango, this is what the white turmeric tastes like. So you need to check it out.
Right. No, it really tastes good. When you put it in your mouth, you kind of want to spit it out because you know you're eating a piece of turmeric root.
Yeah.
But you can't spit it out because if you're like me that love East Indian, you want the taste to linger. So yeah, white turmeric. This is the boss. This really tastes good.
By the way, guys, there's a link actually in the description. We talk about turmeric, how we use turmeric in Jamaica. You should check it out as well. Over to you now. How do you use your turmeric? This is how Miss Joy used it. This is how Tanya used it. I want to hear from you. How do you use your turmeric? Share that in the comments right now. This again, guys, is this amazing product, amazing plant. It's turmeric, and this is Mr. Sam. Mr. Sam is gonna show us. He's gonna actually dig this one. Go ahead, Mr. Sam. We're gonna harvest this one. Oh, you don't have to go too deep, huh? Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, so this is how it looks under the ground, Mr. Sam. Oh, wow. Okay. Are they ready now, Mr. Sam?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how it looks, and so this is this like a good harvest?
Yes. It's look beer.
Okay, beer. This is you consider a good crop.
Yeah.
For what? This is what, one plant, one root, or what? One root. Okay. All right. So this is what it looks like, guys, and this is as Miss Sam had shown you before. Let's hold it up in your hand there. It's a lot, man. It's a lot. Okay. All right. How do you know if it's ready, Mr. Sam? How do you know it's ready to harvest?
Well, naturally, you see the leaf then start fade.
Oh.
When the leaf then start fade. Yes. You know,
Okay. Like this, like this here. Okay. Okay. Good. And let's start to fall to the ground. Okay. It's ready. Good. Awesome. Thank you, man. Thank you. Can I take a picture? Hold him, Mr. Sam. Hold him in both hands together. All right. Good. That is the turmeric, guys, at source here in Jamaica. Look at that, beautiful. Tanya actually has some turmeric products.
Yes, indeed.
Tell us about what you got, Tanya.
All right, so turmeric, I have a turmeric soap. This is 100% natural. There's a turmeric and clay face mask. We have a kojic acid soap with turmeric. We have our turmeric face wash. And am I missing anything? And we also have a neem turmeric natural soap as well. And I wanted you to take a look at the size of our bars, and also, I don't know if you can feel how firm this is.
Yeah,
right?
It is,
Pretty firm.
Yeah, man, it's very firm.
Right.
And it has the turmeric color.
It is, and it's 100% naturally colored by turmeric. And of course, this is our best-selling bar. Right.
So, well, tell us what it does for.
All right, so this turmeric bar, right, and all of our turmeric products, acne is something that people struggle with at different age groups. This begins to work on that acne in about 3 to 5 days. If you have hyperpigmentation, which is where your face is developing two different colors, or you're dealing with issues like melasma and so forth, turmeric is a product to try. So hence we have it in the soap, we have it in the mask, which you can keep on a little longer. As long as you tolerate it, in about 3 to 5 days you can begin to see some clearing up, some brightening of the skin. For some people it's their cheeks, some people it's their forehead, because also we're in a tropical country where there's a lot of sun. So where there is sun damage, turmeric is an antidote for that as well.
Awesome. If persons are interested in this or any of your products, how can they reach you?
All right, so we have a website. It is www.Taynas. So Taynas is spelled Taynas. So taynasbodycare.org. And of course, if you go to Proactive Lifestyle stores or Earth Element stores and a few other pharmacies and so, you will see our products. But if you don't see it and you want it, you can call us, and of course we'll send you a link and we'll take it from there.
Awesome. Have a phone or WhatsApp if persons want to reach you?
Yes, indeed. It is 876. It is 507-3134.
Awesome. Guys, this is, I almost forgot. This is the turmeric at source, the raw turmeric powdered. See how pretty it is? Awesome flavor as well. This is the turmeric we had here to show off. Miss Sam.
Yes.
Miss Sam is a farmer, producer, exporter, whatever you want to call it. She actually have a big packing house here that she does. She and her husband does turmeric production. If persons are interested in getting turmeric from the raw source from you, Miss Sam, how can they reach you?
Well, our contact numbers are 876-463-0212 or 876-504-6195.
And I am assuming they can reach you on WhatsApp as well, right?
Yes.
All right. From anywhere in the world, just WhatsApp Miss
WhatsApp.
Sam to get your root, your authentic Jamaican turmeric at source, right? The raw turmeric. Do you sell the powder as well, Miss Sam, or just
We
just the root?
Yes, we sell the turmeric finger. That's what we sell. If we sell the root, Mr. Gale, we are out of business. We can't plant.
Oh, that's what you call it.
Yes.
Oh, so it's not the root.
Turmeric finger.
The finger.
Yes.
I didn't
That's
know that.
what
Oh,
we
yes.
sell, turmeric finger.
Okay.
Yes.
Anywhere in the world, right?
Anywhere in the world you'd like to get turmeric,
Yes.
we export.
All right. Awesome.
We farm, we export.
Awesome.
Yes.
Big up. Wonderful ladies, guys. Right now, give them a thumbs up for me, Miss Joy, the farmer, Miss Tanya, the manufacturer, both Jamaican ladies using our authentic Jamaican product, you know, to uplift lives, impact lives, and make a difference to Jamaican society. Wonderful. Thank you so much, ladies.
Thank you for having us.
Now, guys, the bonus. Remember, I promised you a little bonus at the end. Well, what is it? It's how to grow your own turmeric at home, and Mr. Sam is going to show us how to do that. How to grow turmeric in your backyard, essentially. Yes, Mr. Sam?
Yes, after you plow the land, get it small bits. You just take it like this.
So, okay. So hold on, Mr. Sam. Hold on. So back up a little bit.
Yes, you just dig out the furrow. I dig out the line and just put them in.
Oh, you put them across like that?
Yeah.
Oh, but what do you put there though? Is that a part of the turmeric or a special part?
No, any part, any little bits, small bits of it.
Oh, okay.
And then
so
you just cover it.
Oh, so it doesn't take anything special?
No.
Any piece of the turmeric?
Any piece.
Oh, okay. Well, so I saw some with like a little nodes on it, little piece like shooting up.
This is the old one. This is the new one. This is the plant.
That's the root. That's the finger. What's one of the fingers?
This is the finger. So you just plant the fingers then.
Oh, I noticed you put them across like in a line.
Like in a line.
One in one direction.
Right.
Okay. And
not really in one direction. Anyhow, them drop them straight. It's easily grown.
And how long does it take for you to see like something happening?
About happening like as if it
like it start growing, yeah.
Well, We always plant it about in June, July when you know, we're going to have springtime, when we're going to spring up. So when we plant it in them time, you know, when they spring up, by say December, January, them ready again.
Ready to harvest?
Yes.
So you plant it in, when do you normally plant it, you said?
About June, July.
June. And when you put it in the ground, how long after you put it in the ground does it take to come up out of the ground?
Come up, about even a month or so.
A month?
Yeah.
Okay.
It start grow.
Okay.
Yes, them start grow until them start develop.
Okay. And then it grows up guys, till it looks, it grows up until it looks something like this. Right, Mr. Sam?
Yes.
Which is about 3 feet high. Right, 3 feet high. And then it starts to, when it's ready, how do you know when it's ready again?
When it's ready, it starts to dry down.
Start to dry down.
Start to fade down.
It starts to fade down. Similar to this here now. It starts to get tall and then it kind of lie down. And then you see them drying up like this.
Yes.
Cool. And then you dig it. And then you pull it or you dig it?
You dig it.
You dig it. You can't pull it by itself.
No, when you pull it.
Okay, and I will show you that already, guys, how you dig it. And then you're ready to harvest. Do you normally have to wait after you dig it, after you harvest it, Mr. Sam? You have to, do you do anything else with it? You can use it right away, right? You don't have to dry it or anything?
No.
Okay.
You can just wash it and use it.
And write it and use it.
Yes.
How to plant turmeric at home, guys. Quite easy, right?
Yes,
some of you would have been
quite
surprised. This is quite easy, very easy. Nothing special.
Nothing special.
Nothing special. Thank you, Mr. Sam.
Good.
All right.
Well, Leslie, guess what? You have been doing such a fabulous job this year. So many of your videos, especially my mother is always saying, he's released a new one, released a new one. I just want to say thank you so much for the work that you do with a little token from Tina's Body Care to you. And make sure the turmeric soap is in there with our lemongrass and one of our fragrance soap. So enjoy a great lather. And
smell good. There's a turmeric body bar and face soap. I'm gonna use that. Next time you see my garden face soap better than this. It's the lemongrass soap.
Right.
And this is
one of
sweet
our
passion.
Right.
Alright. Actually, lemongrass soap. There's a video, there's another video, guys, you need to see. Check the link in the description. And lemongrass is another powerhouse product here we have in Jamaica. Man, check it out, the link in the description. Thank you so much, my friend.
You are welcome.
You need to tell the world that we go way back.
Yes.
We know each other from corporate way back.
Way back.
And now we're doing different stuff.
Yes.
You know, it's a beautiful thing.
So when I say that I was in corporate, there is no evidence that I was in corporate.
It's a beautiful thing. Thank you so much, my friend.
You are welcome.
And all the best.
And of course, I have additional goodies that I need to share.
For the Samuels.
Here, Mr. Sam, enjoy. This is your very own. And Miss Joy, thank you so much. Bless you. You guys, I'm so proud of the work that you're doing. So continue to keep up the good work.
We have another presentation here. Miss Joy is gifting Tanya. It's all good stuff. Good stuff. Look at that. Look at that. She's giving her a bag of turmeric, raw turmeric.
Amazing.
What?
Tanya, on behalf of Kenneth and Jerlyn Samuels Export, we're gifting you this turmeric because that's what you're in.
Yes.
So please make well of it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh,
thank
blessings abundant. Blessings abundant.
Thank you.
Wonderful,
so much.
wonderful.
I am so elated.
Beautiful.
Look
Minus
at
train.
this.
Minus train, mama. Minus train. Oh, blessings abundant. Guys, that's how we do it every time. Miss Joy and Tanya with the Jamaican turmeric, guys. Wow, so much information. How do you use turmeric? What jumped out from this video at you? I'd love to hear from you. Go to the comments now and share a comment. There's another video I need you to see. Another interesting video. Another Jamaican product. Jamaican annatto. Annatto, yes. I need you to see that. Link in the description, in the card above. See you in that one.